step would be take b, which is nothing but coefficient of x, which is in this case is -7. Now second step would be just break -7 into sum of its part. So for example, I can do -7. I can also represent -7 as -7 plus 0 is equal to -7, or I can reduce 1 from -7, so I'll get -6. I can also represent it this way, so decreasing, in fact increasing, because it is negative sign. So -5, then this is decreasing the 0, then -4, -3, and then it will come -3 and -4. So this is the same thing, because now it will become -2 here, so -4. So once they repeat, we can just stop. So all of these are -7. Secondly, see their product. What is their product? The product in this case is 0, in this case is 6, in this case is 10, in this case is 12. So then the second step is take C. C in this case is nothing but the constant term. C is 12. Just look at that term where the product becomes equal to C, which is this, or -3, -4, same thing. So now I'll just break this into these two terms. So I'll write -7x as -4x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. Again, I'll just take this common. So I'll get x minus 4, x minus 3 equal to 0. So even if we had taken x minus, say x square minus 3x minus 4x, it would have been the same thing, because x minus 3 minus 4, x minus 3, so x minus 4. So in both ways I get the solution as x equal to 4 or x equal to 3 as my answer. So again, taking one more example of this, say x square. In this case I'll take a positive term, so x square plus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. Again, I can break 10x. I'll just take b, which is 10. 10 I can write 10 plus 0 equal to 10. I can reduce 1. I can increase by 1. Then I can write 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5. After that I can stop, because it becomes 4 plus 6, which is nothing but repeating this. So it will become 3, 7, 8, 2. So I can just stop at this point. I can take C equal to 24 in this case. I can just look at the case where the product of these two terms, so 9 into 1, 8 into 2, 7 into 3 becomes equal to C, which is in this case 6 into 4. So I can just break 10x as 6x plus 4x plus 24 equal to 0. So again I can just solve this one. So x plus 4 and x plus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to -4 or -6 are the solution. So this is the way in which we solve the quadratic equation by factor method, just taking the b term and then writing the b term as a sum of its parts, and just looking with the point where the product of parts become equal to the c, and just breaking the b term or the x term in this and into those parts, we get the solution.